Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today, experts at Academized will tackle a topic that is familiar to every student, which is essay writing. In this video, we will cover the top 5 mistakes students often make when writing an essay and suggest how you can fix them. So, if you've ever struggled to get an A on your paper, stay tuned and learn how to write a perfect essay every time. Mistake number 1: weak thesis statement. A thesis statement is the backbone of your essay. A weak thesis can make your entire paper feel aimless and disorganized. A strong thesis statement clearly presents your main argument and tells the reader what to expect. For example, instead of saying, "Social media affects teens," try something more specific. Like this: social media negatively impacts teen mental health by promoting unrealistic body standards and increasing anxiety levels. See the difference? The revised thesis is clearer, more specific, and sets up your argument effectively. Always ensure your thesis answers a specific question and is narrow enough to be fully covered in your essay. Once you have a draft, ask yourself, does this thesis take a clear stand? Can someone disagree with it? If the answer is yes, you are on the right track. Mistake number 2: poor structure and organization. Many students jump around with their ideas, making the essay hard to follow. Your essay should have a logical flow. Start with an introduction, then body paragraphs that each make a distinct point, and end with a conclusion that ties everything together. Use topic sentences at the beginning of each paragraph to indicate the main point you'll discuss. For instance, if you're writing about the benefits of exercise, you can start a paragraph like this: regular physical activity improves cardiovascular health. This makes it clear what the focus will be. Mistake number 3: not citing sources correctly. Copying someone else's work is wrong, and even if you accidentally forget to cite a source, it can take away from your grade. Ensure you know the citation style required for your paper, whether it's MLA, Harvard, Chicago, or another one. Keep track of your sources as you go. Use citation tools to organize your references. These are the 10 most commonly used free citation generators. Screenshot this list for when you're writing your next essay. Double-check the citation guidelines and make sure your in-text citations match the bibliography entries. If you're unsure how to cite a source, ask your teacher or look up examples online. Mistake number 4: overcomplicating the language. Many students try to sound smarter by using overly complex language. While it may seem like using big words will impress your reader, it often does the opposite. It can make your essay confusing. Clarity is key in academic writing. Instead of saying, "The ramifications of the contemporary phenomenon are conspicuously problematic," say, "The effects of this trend are clearly problematic." It's simple yet effective. Stick to plain, straightforward language. Read your essay aloud to see if it flows naturally. If you stumble over a sentence, chances are your reader will too. Revise it for simplicity. You can also use writing tools and other educational resources to improve your writing. Check out these handy tools and resources that will help you improve your essays. These applications aid with anything from spelling to formatting. Mistake number 5: weak or missing conclusion. Some students simply restate the introduction, while others forget to include it altogether. Both approaches are incorrect. Your conclusion should give a sense of closure and reinforce the key points made in your essay. A good conclusion should summarize the main arguments without repetition and provide some final insight or a call to action. With that final tip, it's time for us to say goodbye to you. For now, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments what is the biggest challenge you face when writing an essay. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next paper.